Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your phone is updated and that you know which apps drain power. Open Settings, go to Battery, and review usage to identify heavy apps. Once done, enable Adaptive Battery and turn on Battery Saver with a sensible threshold. This limits background activity. Also reduce screen brightness and set an auto-sleep timeout. These immediate actions reduce waste while we move into deeper configuration steps next. Now you tackle the complex middle steps. Go back to battery usage and tap each offender. Force stop, restrict background activity, or change permissions to prevent waking. Uninstall or disable apps you never use that cut services and syncs. Use Data Saver and set location permissions to while using to avoid GPS wake-ups. Also review sync schedules. Switch push email to manual or longer intervals. Make sure to test each change for a day. To finish, lock in settings and run a day-long trial. Lower screen refresh rate, enable dark mode or light themes depending on panel efficiency, and reduce animation scales. If battery reporting looks wrong, calibrate by fully discharging then charging to 100% once. This can stabilize stats. If drain persists, restart into safe mode to see whether a third-party app is the culprit. If safe mode fixes it, uninstall recent apps. Otherwise, consider a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.